So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and essentially have your Apple Watch vibrate and or, just vibrate in general without it ringing or making a sound as it's vibrating. Now, you can do this a couple of different ways. The main way to go and do this is to go ahead and make your way over to your settings application. So go ahead and make your way over to settings, so you can click on your digital crown right there. Open up your settings application right there. And what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down until you see sounds and haptics, which is right there. So go ahead and tap on sounds and haptics. And what you're going to want to do here is you can go and change a few things. So for one, you can change your alert volume from all the way up to all the way down. So you can tap on that down button right there until your volume gets all the way down. That is one option you have. But you can also go through and enable this silent mode. So you can enable silent mode. What this is going to do, it's going to say silent mode will not silence alarms and timers, but it will basically go through and just make your iPhone silent. Or make your Apple Watch silent. The vibration motor will still go through, but that's another option that you basically have there within your silent mode, which is honestly a very, very cool thing. Now, another thing you want to do if you want to keep your vibrations even further on, this haptic alerts option is another thing you can go and kind of mess with. Default, prominent, you can enable these crown haptics and system haptics if you really want to. Then you'll also have this cover to mute thing if you want to just completely silence your Apple Watch. You can just cover it and it'll completely mute. But if you really, for the basis of this video, this silent mode option is probably the one that I recommend every single person to kind of, enable or disable. And that's the other option that you have right there too. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.